Okay, our question for today. What is the molar mass of glycerol? We're told in the question the molecular formula is C3H8O3. So how much does 1 mole of that weigh? Well, to answer that question, we have to think about what this formula means. It means that each molecule of glycerol, pictured down here, is made of 3 carbons, 8 hydrogens, and 3 oxygens. So if we want to work out the weight of that, if we know the weight of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, or how much 1 mole weighs, then all we have to do is multiply it by how many times each one appears in the molecule and add it all together. So let's do that. So if we have a look at our periodic table here, you can find hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen. And we take hydrogen, for example, and we have a look at that element. You can see that each element, at the top, there's the number of the element, or the atomic number, which is the number of protons in the nucleus. In the middle is the symbol, so H for hydrogen. And at the bottom then is the molar mass, or how much 1 mole of that element weighs. And so for hydrogen, that's 1.0079. Well, we're going to need that, but let's park that for a second. So we know that our molecule, glycerol, is made out of 3 carbons, 8 hydrogens, and 3 oxygens. So if we want to figure out how much it weighs per mole in total, well then it's going to be 3 multiplied by the molar mass of carbon. So if we pull up the element carbon here, we can see carbon, element number 6, 12.011 grams per mole. So that accounts for the carbons. If we do the same for hydrogen, and then we do the same for oxygen, it'll be plus the hydrogen, so plus 8 multiplied by 1.0079 grams per mole. And for oxygen, I'll go on to the next line, it'll be 3 multiplied by 15.999 grams per mole. So all I have to do then is put those into my calculator and add them all up. And if I want to put brackets around each one to make it clear what the order is going to be, I can do that to make life easier. Well, let's do those sums. So 3 by 12.011 is going to be 36.033. 8 by 1.0079 is going to be 8.0632. And 3 by 15.999 is going to be 47.997. Now we know how much each of those parts is going to weigh for each of the elements. We can add them all together and we can get our final molar mass. So if we add those together, 36 and 8 is 44, and 47 is going to be 91. And then if you add a 0.3 onto that, we're going to have 92. And so our final answer is going to work out to be 92.062 grams per mole. So that is how many grams each mole of glycerol is going to weigh. If you have any questions, post them below, post them at the top of the Moodle form, or ask in the lab. I hope that's been helpful. Bye.